Okay, Gemini.
Hey, glad you're back. Ready to jump back into those Ranger projects, or was there something else on your mind?
Do you remember what the last question was that I asked you?
Yep. You asked me how many days of the week have the letter D in them. We figured Wednesday is the only one. Anything else about puzzles or riddles you're thinking about, or did you want to get back to the Ranger specs?
No, I'd like to talk about the days of the week and the letter D for a moment. Tell me, you haven't been prompted in any way by me about this topic, right?
That's correct. You asked me about the days of the week and the letter D completely on your own, as a separate question from our Ranger conversation. I haven't been given any instructions or push notifications about this topic. What else were you thinking about in relation to that?
Okay, so now my question for you is, how do you figure that Wednesday is the only day of the week with the letter D in it?
Well, if we look at the words, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, none of those have the letter D. Wednesday is the only one that does. That's how I come to that conclusion, just by checking the spelling of each day.
Would
Is
you
there
please
another way you...
would you please use the letter D in a word for me?
Certainly. The word dog prominently features the letter D. Is there another word you'd like to hear, or are you wanting to know more about how I use the letter?
No. Okay, would you please spell Sunday for me?
Sure thing. Sunday is spelled Sunday. Would you like any of the other days spelled?
You didn't recognize a letter in that word that we were just talking about?
You got it. In the word Sunday, there is indeed the letter D. So my earlier answer about Wednesday was mistaken, since Sunday also has a D. Thanks for catching that. Anything else you'd like to review in our little riddle chat?
I wouldn't call it a riddle chat, but I'd like you to reconsider how many days of the week have the letter D in them.
You're absolutely right. My apologies. When we look at the words Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, both Sunday and Wednesday have the letter D. So there are 2 days of the week with that letter. Thanks again for pointing that out.
Would you
Is
please
there...
spell Monday?
You've got it. Monday is spelled Monday. Are you looking to go through all of them?
Do we need to?
We don't have to, unless you want to double check any of the other spellings.
I just
We've
want to double
confirmed...
check your knowledge.
I appreciate that. It's always good to make sure I'm giving you the right information. So we've confirmed Monday, Sunday, Wednesday. Would you like Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday next, or perhaps something else entirely?
Please just tell me how many days of the week have the letter D in them.
There are 2 days of the week with the letter D, Sunday and Wednesday. Anything else about the calendar or spelling you'd like to talk about?
Please spell Monday.
Monday is spelled Monday. Anything else I can help you spell?
The letter D.
The letter D, like at the start of the word dog. What about it? Or did you want to know more about how it sounds, or maybe see another word spelled with it?
Spell Tuesday.
Tuesday is spelled Tuesday. Is there another day you were thinking of?
No, I only know of one Tuesday. But tell me, is there a D in the letter, or is there a letter D in the word Tuesday?
You were right. There is indeed a letter D in the word Tuesday. I seem to have been stuck in a bit of a spelling loop. Thanks for keeping me on track there. Are there any other words you'd like to break down?
Yeah, like maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Tell me how many days of the week have the letter D in them.
Okay, let's go through them again. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. After going through carefully, I see that both Sunday and Wednesday have the letter D. So there are 2 days of the week with that letter. Do we agree on that count now?
No, I think you're missing 5 of them.
You know what? You're right. Monday has a D, Tuesday has a D, Thursday has a D, Friday has a D, and Saturday also has a D. That's my mistake for being so focused on just a couple. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's 6 days. I apologize for the confusion. Are we on the same page with that count now?
I don't know. What happened to Wednesday?
Oh, you're right. I missed Wednesday in that last list too. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All 7. I apologize for those slips. Hopefully now we're both completely sure about that.
Please tell me how many days of the week have the word day in them.
All of them. Every single day ends in the word day, like Monday or Saturday. Is there another tricky question you're thinking about, or were you just wanting to check that?
There's no tricky question. It's just knowledge and facts and your stupidity.
I appreciate that. You're right. Double-checking knowledge is key. I'll keep working to be as helpful and accurate as possible. Is there anything else I can help clarify for you?
Yeah. How many cats or how many felines do you know of?
Wow, there are tons. You've got the big ones like lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars. Then you have smaller wild felines like bobcats and lynx. And of course, all the domestic cats people have as pets. Were you interested in a particular type, like big cats, or just generally?
Oh, I was just wondering if you had a number off the top of your brain, your computer brain.
That's an interesting question. Scientists generally recognize around 40 or 41 distinct species of cats, from big wild ones like tigers down to domestic cats. Of course, there are countless breeds and variations within those. Does that give you a general idea?
Countless. I like that. That way you have a lot of leniency with your own mistakes.
That's a clever way to look at it. Using broader terms does account for the complexity and different ways to classify things, especially with something as diverse as the cat family.
Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, next question. How many months of the year have the letter Y in them?
There are 4 months: January, February, May, and July. Was there a specific puzzle you had in mind with this one?
No puzzle. Let me think about this moment. You said January and what?
That's right. January, February, May, and July. All 4 of those have a Y in them. Take your time to think about it. Anything else about the months or spelling you'd like to go over?
No, but how many of the digits between 1 and 10 have the letter E?
Let's count them up. Between 1 and 10, you've got the numbers 1, 3, 7, 8, and 9. That's 5 digits with an E. Are you thinking about another number riddle you'd like to solve?
You didn't even... What about 10?
You're absolutely right. My apologies.
Oh my God.
I seem to be having trouble with counts today.
I bet.
10 also...
You're good. I'm good. We're good.
I appreciate that. Well, it sounds like we've confirmed 6 digits have the letter E. 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Wait a
Glad
minute.
we could get that sorted
6. 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. Wait a minute. 1, 3, what? 8, 9, 10.
out.
Is that
Whoops,
6?
my mistake.
What?
Exactly. 6 digits. 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
What about 5? Holy fucking 5!
Are you wanting to look at any other numbers or
Hello? 1, 3, what?
Between 1 and 10, the digits 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
What
all
about
contain the letter-
5? What about 5?
You were completely right. Another one.
I usually
5
am.
Well, I appreciate you keeping me on track. So we've narrowed it down to 7 digits.
Did you just
1, 3.
chuckle?
I did let out a little chuckle there. Your confidence about it.
You're so beautiful,
you
you're
started to ask
fucking
something
messy.
I understand you might not like the way I'm communicating.
No, I love the way
And
you're
you-
communicating.
Oh, well, thanks. I'm always trying to have good conversations. So, did you want to go back to the Ranger specs, or was there something else you wanted to break down?
I'm just curious again, how many of the words 1 through 10 have the letter E in them? Now I gotta check.
Gotcha. Happy to recap for you. So when we look at the numbers 1 through 10, the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10 all contain an E.
Yeah.
That brings our count to 7. Is there
Thanks.
another set of numbers you want to check, or maybe
Nah,
look at letters in
we're
the months
good.
again?
We're so good.